Hi students, today we will learn the poem Ek Tanturit Muskan written by poet Nagarjun. Author Nagarjun was born in Satlanka village at Bihar on 36-1911. His full name was Vaidinath Miksh. His mother's name was Umadevi and his father's name was Gokul Mishra. He completed his primary education at Sanskrit Patashala and higher studies at Banaras and Calcutta. In Sri Lanka, he impressed Buddhism. His subnames are Nagarjun, Yatri and Vaidik. He wrote many books. In epic he wrote Yugdara, प्यार सी पतराई आंखें, सतरंगे सपनों वाली, हजार हजार बाहों वाली, तुमने कहा था, पुराना जूतियों का कोरस, आखिर ऐसा क्या कह दिया मैंने, मैं मिलिट्री का बूढ़ा घोड़ा, पक्का है कटहल, रत्नगर्भा, चना और गरम. In Maithili language, he wrote the epic Chitra Patrahin. In novel, he wrote Radhinath Ki Chachi, Kumbi Pak, Ugrdhara, Jamniya Ka Baba, Varun Ke Bete. In Sanskrit literature, he wrote Desh Dashakam or Shamit Dashakam. He criticized the book Ek Vyakti Ka Yug. In his poem, there will be love, melody and attachment which is to be respected and far away from shallowness. In his personal life, he was alone in battling with things. In his poem, he used rural words of Bengal, English, Urdu and Maithili language. He used sarcastic style and free verse style in most of the poems. He used simile, contradiction, humanization decking in his poems. He died on 1998. After a gap of long period, the author returned home. He left his wife and child. She was pregnant. He does not know that a child of 6 or 8 months old welcoming. He saw the smiling of the child and felt happy. Bound on its vibration, it will attract anyone covering its area of visual distance. The poet undermining the emotional feelings of his child on the 6 or 8 months of its birth. He expressed the pain and experienced emotion with rare skill. The life is beautiful. Only one can enjoy smiling of the child. Whoever cruel iron heart will be melted when he see child in smiling pose. Whatever may be the situation, he will change forgetting the pain despair like lightning in the sky. Smiling of the child had vibrant touch of the heart of the look. These expressions were explained in this beautiful tiny poem. तुम्हारे एक तंदूरित मुस्कान मृतक में भी डाल देंगी जान. दूली दूसर तुम्हारे ये गात छोड़कर तालाब मेरे झोपड़ी में खिल रहे जलजात. The poet explains the childhood and its glory. He says even the death come to life by seeing the smile of the child. This is unreal. He say the dying man will not die when the occasion smiling child, tender face. The milky teeth of the child brings glory to smiling. He explained the child as lotus flower and that too reached his hut coming out of dirty water. परस पाकर तुम्हारे ही प्राण पिघल कर जल बन गया होगा कठिन पाषाण. चू गया तुमसे की जरने लग पड़े शेफालिका के फूल बांसता की बबूल. The child is embodiment of God, great and lies godliness while smiling. He said the smiling will melt ever iron and iron heart washed away when staring child smile. It is like Shafalika flower from the barren tree. तुम मुझे पाए नहीं पहचान देखते ही रहोगे अनिमेष तक गए हो आंख लूं मैं फेर. Poet tells to his child, I am new to you like stranger. You are often looking me. It shows that you have not identified me. If you get tired of seeing me often, then shall I take away my eyes? क्या हुआ यदि हो सके परिचित न पहली बार. यदि तुम्हारे माँ ना माध्यम बनी होती, आज मैम ना सकता देख, मैम ना पाता जान, तुम्हारी यह तंतुरित मुस्कान. Poet now addressing his child, I am new to you like a stranger. If your mother have not met me, you will not be here. The relationship is the cause of our wedded life. I do not know how to express the feeling felt. I thank you and mother for this celestial occasion. I am enjoying and experiencing on seeing your tiny smiling milk teeth. धन्य तुम, माँ भी तुम्हारे धन्य, चिर प्रवासी मैम इधर, मैम अन्य, इस अदिति से प्रिय तुम्हारा क्या रहा संपर्क, उंगलियां माँ की कराती रही हैं मधुपर्क. Unfortunately, I was away from you all this long period. I know you are looking me as stranger. When you see me slightly, I will see you. Your mother would have nurtured you with curd, sugar, honey, mixed to see you energetic when you look straight. I will do so and pleasure can be felt merry. देखती तुम इधर कनकी मार और होती जबकि आंखें चार, तब तुम्हारे तंतुरित मुस्कान मुझे लगती बड़ी ही छबिमान. Your smiling inspired me. Live with wings to bring glorious poems. The highlight of the poem is Milky Teeth Smiling. Poet thus returned the poem with wonderful expressions expressed. Poet great and the everlasting beauty. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.